SBA Publications.
Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are happy and healthy at your home. Myself, Suni, your mentor, and today with me, you people will learn the chapter number 5, numbers up to 1000. So, let's start it. So, आज हम 1000 को बनाना सीखेंगे, उससे आगे के नंबर्स को बनाना सीखेंगे. So, let's start. Here is an activity for you. So, here, count the objects and write their numbers against each picture given below. So, the first picture is of the bird. So, let's count with me. Here are 2 birds. These are sparrows, another kind of birds. So, now we will write here 2. Now, starting with the topic, as we all know, when we put together the 10 tens, it makes 100. 100. So, when we put 200s together, it makes 200. In a similar manner, 3 blocks makes 300, 4 blocks make 400, 500, 600, 700. Now 7 blocks makes 700. 10 blocks will make 1000 and that is known as 1000. 10 times 100 makes 1000. So, now we know how 1000 is prepared. See, forming numbers up to 1000. So, as we all know, what we used to do, which number is formed by the following stickers. As we all know, how do we prepare that number? We used to put the hundreds together and then the tens, then we count the tens and the rest are the ones. Then we count the ones, then we make the 3-digit number. Okay, so here we are making the numbers up to 1000. See, which number is formed by the following stickers. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 100. So, it's a 600. It is written here 600. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times the tens block means 5 tens. That is 50. Now, adding 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the 6 ones, also known as 6. So, after adding them, we are getting 656. 656. So, read it aloud as 656. Now, as we all know, how do we read the number? Firstly, we used to read this number alone. First, read the hundreds only. After that, these two numbers read together. Read the last 2 digits together. So, it's 656. That is 656. Now, here 300 plus 3 tens and 8 ones means 300 plus 30 plus 8 makes 338. So, how do we read it? Firstly, the 100, that is 3, and the rest tens and ones together, 38. So, 338. Now, here 500 plus 4 ones gives us 504. 504. Now, exercise 5.1. Tick the sets of blocks that shows the number in the box. So, part A has been done for you as example and the part B I am doing for you. See how we have to do this? We have to read the numbers, okay, by seeing the blocks. So, these are 1, 2, 3. 3 times 100, that is 300. And the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times tens. So it is 80 and no ones. So it will be 380. And the number is 380. So we will write here the tick sign. Okay. Rest of the part you have to do by your own. Here we have to write the number by seeing the grids blocks. So now 1, 2, 3, 4. How many hundreds are there? 4 times 100, that's 4 hundreds, 4 tens, and the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones. So it's 400, 4 tens, 8 ones, and the number is 448. In a similar manner, rest of the parts you have to perform by your own. Question number 3 says, write the number name. So we have to write the number name of this number. So here is 208. So we can simply write here 208. Now the question number 4 says, write the number 756. So we have to write the number 700 means 700 and then 56. 5 and 6. The number is 756. Rest of the parts you have to do your own. Now the topic is place value. As we all know, what is place value? The value of a particular digit in a number which change according to its place, according to its position. So the place value of a digit in a number depends upon its place in the number. So the place value of the digit in 689. So the digit 9 has the place value ones. So the place value of 9 is 9 ones or 9. Now 8 is at the tens place. So 8 has the value of tens. 8 tens. So it is 80. Now 100, 600. So the place value of the 6 in this number is 600. That is 600, 600. In a similar manner, 705, 5 has the value of ones. 0 means 0 tens. And 7 means 7 times 100. That is 700. Now expanded form of a number. एक नंबर की expanded form, उसको expand करके लिखते हैं. See, write the expanded form of 872. In previous classes, we know what is the expanded form. The number 872 has 800, 7 tens and 2 ones. See, how do we prepare a number? We see how many hundreds are there, how many tens are there, how many ones are there. Then we used to make a number. But in expanded form, what we used to do? We take a number and we expand it. And we write it in its hundred form, tens form and ones form. So, the expanded form of 872 will be 870 and 2. Now, exercise 5.2. Question number 1. Write the place value of each digit. 546. So, as we all know, 6 is at the ones place. So, 6 has the value of 6 only. Now, 4 is at the tens place. That's why it has a value of 40. That is 4 tens. Now 5 is at the 100 place. So 5 has the value of 100. 500. Rest of the question you have to do by your own. Now second is to write the number. We have given the place value of the number and we have to make the number. See, it is at the ones place. So we will write 7 at the 1. Here it is 6 tens. That is 60. So we will write 6 at the tens place. 6. Now 200. So here 2 is at the 100 place. Now we will write 2. So the number has been prepared. Now the question number 3, write the expanded form. Now 683. So we will expand it like 600 plus 80 and plus 3 ones. In a similar manner, you have to do this all rest of the question by your own. Now question number 4 says, write the number in standard form. So we have to write the number 310 and 7. So 7 at ones, 1 at tens and 3 at hundreds. So 300, 110 and 7. It will be 370. नाउ द टॉपिक इज कंपेयरिंग नंबर. देखिए, हम नंबर को कंपेयर कर सकते हैं कि ये नंबर इससे छोटा है, ये नंबर इससे बड़ा है, कि ये दो नंबर बराबर हैं. सो इन्हें कैसे करते हैं हम? व्हेन द नंबर ऑफ डिजिट इज डिफरेंट, जब नंबर ऑफ डिजिट डिफरेंट होगा. सो व्हाट वी यूज टू डू, कंपेयर 761 and 94. सी हियर 761 and 94. Here the number of digits in both the numbers are different. See, it is a 3-digit number and it is a 2-digit number, and we know that 3 is greater than 2. So that's why we can easily say this number is greater than this number. So we can say that 761 is greater than 94. Now when the number of digit is same, okay, so अगर number of digit same है तो हम क्या करेंगे? Compare 524 and 206. See, here both the numbers have 3 digits. Now what we do? The step 1 is seeing the 100 place. 100 place. If the 100 place is different, so see which number is higher, 5 or 2. As we all know, 5 is greater. So we can easily say that 524 is greater than 206 by just seeing the 100 value. Now same digits in the 100 place. If 100 की place पे भी आपका number same है, 500 and 500, 400 and 400. So we will see the tens place. See, here 8 and 8 are equal. So what we do? We will go to the tens place. So see, here tens place has 2 and here tens place has 6. So we can easily say 6 is the greater than 2. So we can write here 824 is lesser than 861, or we can say 861 is greater than 824. Now if same digit is in the 100 and tens place, अगर आपके 100 place पे भी और tens place पे भी digit same है, so we will see the ones, the last. So now the digit in the hundreds and the tens place is the same. Now compare the digit in the ones place. So comparing the number of ones place, so here it is 5 and it is 1. So as we all know, 5 is greater than 1. So we can easily say the number 285 is greater than number 281. And if both the numbers and the digits are same, then it will be equal. So we will put equal to sign. Now exercise 5.3, question number 1. Fill in the blocks with greater than, lesser than or equal to sign. So see, here 715 and 306. We can do compare it by just telling the number of hundreds. It is 7 and it is 3. So as we all know, 7 is greater than 3. So we can easily put the sign. So now question number 2 says, in this question what we have to do? We have to circle the smallest number. So here only 231 is the smallest number. Now in question number 3, we have to find the greatest number. So the greatest number in these are 900. So we will circle the 900. Now question number 4 says, write in decreasing order from greatest to smallest. I hope आप सभी को decreasing order पता होगा, हम कब से पढ़ते आ रहे हैं. So now decreasing order, we can easily put them in an order by just seeing the hundreds number, because these are different. So decreasing order means from greater to smaller. Now firstly we will put 532, then 485 and then 325. In a similar manner, rest of the parts you have to do your own. The question number 5, write in increasing order. So we have to write in ascending order or increasing order from smallest to greatest. So firstly we will find the smallest number, which is 76. Now then another one is 276, and the last one, which is the largest, is 726. In a similar manner, you have to do rest of the question by your own. In this chapter, we will read this much only. Let's meet in the next video with another chapter. Till then, take care, keep on learning. Bye-bye.